Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a home remedy for cough. The first ingredient is mulethi. Mulethi sticks is an age-old remedy for a sore throat. Its antioxidant properties reduce inflammation in the bronchial tubes and loosens the mucus that makes breathing difficult. Ginger. The anti-inflammatory gingerols in ginger will help to relieve a sore throat quickly. Black seeds. Black seeds or kalonji provides a natural supplement with antioxidants that boosts the immune system. Its antiviral and antifungal properties that help to treat allergies. Carom seeds or ajwain. Thymol in ajwain is loaded with anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antifungal properties that can be useful in relieving congestion and cold. Curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in vitamin A and C, and these leaves also contain antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties which are helpful in reducing the symptoms of congestion, sinusitis, cough and cold. Cloves. Cloves are packed with medicinal properties, not only relieve a sore throat but also alleviate pain caused due to the persistent coughing. It also has essential oil which acts as a natural expectorant. Cinnamon. Cinnamon may help to remove phlegm from the throat and give your immune system a boost. Turmeric. Turmeric naturally flushes out microbes that clog your respiratory tract. Antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties help in relieving the symptoms of cough and cold. Please like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to leave your suggestions in the comment box down below.